Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if Google Tag Manager isn't appearing as an option for installing your conversion tag in Google Ads. This can be super frustrating if you're trying to set up conversion tracking, so I'll walk you through why this is happening and how to fix it. There are three main reasons why Google Tag Manager doesn't appear as an option when you configure conversions in Google Ads. And the reasons all relate to how the conversion has been configured in Google Ads. Let's head to Google Ads to take a look. I've already logged into my Google Ads demo account, so let's navigate to Goals and select Summary under Conversions. The first conversion listed has been created using the dedicated Google Ads conversion tracking. You can tell this because in the conversion source column, it says website. This means we will have an option to use Google Tag Manager to implement this conversion on our website. To see this, let's click the name of the conversion. We can see Tag Setup at the bottom. Let's select this. We can see there are three options for this conversion. We can see the option to install the tag yourself, email the tag, and the option to use Google Tag Manager. If you're missing this third option to use Google Tag Manager, it's because of how the conversion has been configured. I'm going to show you why this can be missing in your Google Ads account. Let's navigate back to Summary. And let's create a new conversion action. Let's select Website. Now we enter our website's domain. And click Scan. Since I've already installed the Google Ads Tag ID on my website, we can see at the top we're prompted to create our conversion action. So let's select a category and enter a URL. We also have the option of selecting See More Settings to make adjustments to our conversion. When we're happy, we can click Done. Now let's click Save and Continue. It says we're all done, so let's click Finish. We can see our new conversion action has been created. Let's click the name of our new conversion action. And now let's select Tag Setup. We can see there are only two options. There's the option to install the tag yourself, or we can email the tag. But there's no option to use Google Tag Manager. This is because we created the conversion based on the existing Google Ads tag on our website. To have the option to use Google Tag Manager, we need to select the option to manually create the conversion. I'll show you how to do this in a moment. Before we cover these steps, I want to show you two more reasons why you won't see Google Tag Manager under Tag Setup. First, if you've linked Google Ads to Google Analytics and you create a new website conversion in Google Ads, you might see something slightly different when you scan your website. Let's enter our domain again. And click Scan. This time, because Google Ads is linked to Google Analytics, we can see there's an option to use Google Analytics to measure our new conversion. If we click Measure in Google Analytics and select Use Google Analytics, and then configure our conversion, this will mean we're importing a conversion from Google Analytics. So we won't be given any setup options for this conversion action. We can see how this looks in my demo account. Let's head back to Google Ads. We're back looking at the conversion summary, and you can easily identify any conversions that have been imported from Google Analytics because they say Website, Google Analytics in the conversion source column. Let's select the conversion that's been imported from Google Analytics. We can see there is no section called Tag Setup for this conversion. This is because it's been configured in Google Analytics and then imported into our Google Ads account. Apart from presenting an option that asks if you want to measure the conversion in Google Analytics, you might also see a slightly different message if you've linked Google Ads to Google Analytics. Let's take a look. In this Google Ads account, I've already imported some conversions from Google Analytics. Let's enter our domain name again. And click Scan. Since we've already imported conversions, we can see that it's automatically going to use Google Analytics to create the conversion by default. So if we want to use the dedicated Google Ads conversion tracking instead, we need to select Use Google Ads Only. Then we choose Switch to Google Ads. This will mean that we can manually create a conversion in our Google Ads account. So if you've linked Google Ads to Google Analytics, remember to check that you're using Google Ads to create your conversion. And you always need to ensure that you select the option to manually create the conversion. Let's take a look at how to do this. Let's head back to Google Ads. Let's create a new conversion. Now let's select Website. We enter our website's domain and click Scan. Now we need to select the option at the very bottom to create the conversion action manually. Next, we select the conversion category. Name our conversion. Decide if we will track a dollar value for the conversion, and choose the other settings for the conversion. Since we're focused on getting the information we need to set up the conversion using Google Tag Manager, I'm going to leave the default options. If you'd like to learn more about the different settings and how to configure conversions, then I recommend watching my dedicated conversion tracking tutorial. I've included a link in the description below this video. Now let's click Done. And let's click Save and Continue. We're now given the instructions for installing the tag on our website. We can see there's a tab for Set up with a Google tag, Email instructions to your webmaster, and Use Google Tag Manager. So we can select the option to use Google Tag Manager. Then we just need to copy the conversion ID and the conversion label to configure our conversion tracking tag in Google Tag Manager. And if you don't see the Use Google Tag Manager tab, I want to show you one more way to find your conversion ID and conversion label. To do this, let's click Done. And let's click the name of the conversion we just created. Now let's select Tag Setup. We can see the option to use Google Tag Manager is listed, but if you don't see this, then you can go ahead and click Install the tag yourself. And let's scroll down and look for Event Snippet. We can see some code, and it says Send To, and then there is a AW and a dash. The number between the dash and the / is your conversion ID. And the string of letters and numbers between the / and the single quote mark is the conversion label. So you can copy this code to get the conversion ID and label to configure your conversion tag in Google Tag Manager. How did you go setting up your conversion in Google Tag Manager? Did you find the option in Google Ads, or did you encounter a different scenario? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments. To learn even more about Google Ads, please take a moment to check out my courses and extra resources. I've included links in the description below this video. And for all of the latest updates, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.